Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your kit to PSG kit on DLS 23. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, you can see that I'm on the home page of DLS 23. Now there are 4 options at the bottom part, but at the last option you can see my club option. Click on that, and there will be 2 options as well, like customize and training. Click on the customize. Now at the left bottom corner you'll be able to see a button that is custom kit. Click on this. Now there will be any space for entering your kit URL. So for finding the URL, you have to go to the browser section. Now you have to search for ggshop.io DLS PSG kit. This is a trusted and valid website. You can download any kit from here. So I'm gonna go to the first link. You can see there are all the kits of all the clubs. So I'm gonna find for PSG one. Here it is. Click on the PSG kit and logo. Now you have to just copy the link from here. Okay, now you have to paste it. Click done. Click confirm. Here it is, image successfully downloaded. Click OK. Your kit has been changed to PSG kit. That's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.